Coming up at 10 o'clock, it is Clara's year. Clara Schumann, born 200 years ago, and fortunately, thankfully, people are finally realizing what a composer she was, what a great mind, and a great woman. And I have Ista Kana Mason playing her piano concerto for you. And then at 11:10, a piano concerto by a man who was so vital to the life of Clara Schumann, Johannes Brahms. His first piano concerto coming up, a classic recording with Clifford Curzon. And I'll have the quote of the day for you as I hope you're opening up your sandwich and having a good lunch. Coming up next in just 1 minute, it's Rossini. It's the William Tell Overture. Stay right there.
WCRB programs exist because
police say that the man ran into the path of the marked vehicle on West Shore Road. When the Paw Sox move to Worcester for the 2021 season, they'll be known as the Woo Sox. Animal cruelty is now a federal crime. President Trump on Monday signed a bipartisan bill that Congress passed. In sports, the Bruins are at Montreal tonight. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
now here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Today is the pick of the week with mild temperatures heading into the middle and upper 50s. Skies remain partly cloudy with light winds. Clouds begin to increase tonight while we're dry for the first half of Wednesday. Few light scattered showers move in for the afternoon and evening. Some even linger into early Thursday, Thanksgiving. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic. Light traffic getting up from Jefferson Boulevard Airport, really all the way up to 195 and into the city. Looking good on 95 northbound. Southbound excursion down from Lonsdale Avenue is looking okay, and we're quiet on both sides of 195 getting across the Washington Bridge. With your southern New England traffic, I'm Johnny.
Right now, there's a child living in extreme poverty with no future and no hope. But you can bring hope when you become a Compassion International sponsor. Just text the word child to 83393 and sponsor a child right now.
Our 2019 iHeartRadio Music Festival, coming back to the CW16 of the biggest music artists in the world. 2 nights, 1 stage.
I love this show because it celebrates every type of music.
Miley plays her biggest hits.
Thank you so much, iHeartRadio.
Alicia Keys surprises the festival with Louis Capaldi.
Help me sing this song.
And the return of Green Day.
Las Vegas.
Don't miss these once-in-a-lifetime moments and more.
Watch our must-see iHeartRadio Music Festival tomorrow night and Thursday night at 8 p.m. on the CW Providence.
Choosing the right Medicare health plan for you or a family member isn't always easy. There's so much information out there regarding these plans, and at times it can be very confusing. Sometimes it seems like there are more questions than answers. What plan is right for me? What options do I have that will work within my budget? And how on earth can I decide which plan to choose? If this sounds like you,